No, no. I've never seen somebody move like you before. There's something about the way you leave it on the floor. And now we're moving closer, can't keep my composure. Oh, I wanna get to know ya, can I get to know ya? Your touch gets me stuck. The minute that you say I'm what you want, it's different when we both lock eyes. Because that's the look, that's the look, the look of love. That's the look, that's the look. That's the look, that's the look. The look of love. After you, I know I'll never be the same. So caught up and I don't wanna look away. And now we're moving closer, can't keep my composure. Oh, I wanna get to know ya, can I get to know ya? Oh, your touch gets me stuck. The minute that you say I'm what you want, it's different when we both lock eyes. Because that's the look, that's the look, the look of love. That's the look, that's the look. The look of love. That's the look, that's the look. The look of love. And now
Hi,
we're
sir.
moving
Hello. Where are you
closer,
from?
can't keep my composure.
I'm hungry. What kind of country is that?
Eastern European.
I'm using
I wanna
black
get to
by
know
now.
ya. Can I get to
Can
know
you see the
ya?
camera? Hi, hello. Hello. Where are you from
Your
again?
touch gets me stuck. The minute that you say
That is Europe actually.
it's
You're
different
welcome to the Philippines. This is your first visit in the Philippines, sir?
That's the look, that's the look.
Oh, that's nice. How do you know this place?
The minute that you say I'm what you want, it's different when we both
Really? Do you have friends Philippines here? You are the one alone to walk or to travel here in the Philippines? That's right. So what do you want to say to the people in the Philippines, sir?
I wish you all the best and I'm happy to be here. Thank you for
How long that you are staying in the Philippines, sir?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Oh my God.
It's long.
Then after 3 weeks, you
But it's a huge country.
you
so
back
you need
again
a
your
lot of-
country, sir.
Yes.
That's
yes,
right.
I return.
So how about other places you can visit here, sir? Like Cebu or
Cebu,
Boracay?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
right. You can just stay in the hotel.
Yeah. No, I don't want to stay at home. I want to discover the city.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Good. Who are you? What is your name?
My name is Adam.
Adam, Sir Adam. Oh,
Adam, yeah.
how old are you, Sir Adam?
42.
42. Wow, you look 38 years old actually.
Thank
You
you.
look very young. At your age 40, 42?
42.
42, that's right. Enjoy your vacation in the
Thank
Philippines.
you.
To see the other places are here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Take
thank
care.
you, sir. Thank you. Oh my God. Lumugo ang ilong ko. Meron tayo na interview na foreigner. Yes, thank you sa pag-accommodate niya ng time to interview while I'm using the camera. Thank you so much. Ngayong araw na ito, I am very glad na pumunta tayo dito. As I mentioned earlier, this is the second time to came here. Thank you so much. Napakaganda talaga ang Pasig River. Wala na akong masasabi pa. Yes, bye-bye for now. Thank you.
2,000 years later.
Hi! Punta tayo ngayon dun. Punta tayo guys dun. Yung building na yan, ayan yung post office before na nasunog. Yes, and pupunta tayo doon sa Pasig River's Plain. Ayan. Akyat tayo doon. Tara guys, samahan niyo po ako. Samahan niyo ako guys. Ayan. Akyat tayo dito guys. Ayan. Akyat tayo. Ah! Ayan. Wala pa siyang taong marami kasi maaga pa. Ito yung gusto ko yung wala pang tao, maaga pa. Bongga. Bongga dito guys, napakaganda. Ay, may music. Ito tayo doon sa pakila. Sa baba. Bongga. Hi sir. Hello. Wala ang bongga dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Ang linis ng Ilog Pasig. Ito pala, hanggang dito pa ito. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa ilalim ng tulay na to guys. Ayan. Yan ang Ilog Pasig. Hanggang doon. Mas inaayos pa niya ng Manila kasi ito eh. Maganda dito guys kasi yung view at saka yung dagat ay hanggang doon makikita mo mag-amito ka. Tapos marami ng tao dito guys sa tuwing hapon. Marami din ditong nag-vlog. Yes, in-explore nila ang ganda ng Pasig River. Ayan yung bagong tulay oh. Ayun guys. Nakikita nyo po, inaayos pa nila. Kaya tinawag siyang Esplanade eh. Kasi dito sa gilid, ginawa talaga siyang tourist spot. Diba? Ganda. Ganda diba guys? Nakapunta na ako dito, first time. Ini-upload ko na sa aking YouTube channel yung Pasig River. Nasa po na yan, YouTube channel ko. So ngayon, this is the second time to visit here in Pasig City. In Pasig River actually. So pangalawa ko na itong pagpunta dito sa Pasig River. Diba napakaganda? Maraming tao dito pagka mga bandang hapon na gano'n. Daming tao na pupunta dito. Namamasyal. Mga galing sila sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas. Sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lugar. Yun. Kailang tin mo yung mainit pa. Mainit pa. Mainit pa ngayon, di ba guys? So hindi pa maraming tao. Mamaya mga bandang alas 5, marami ng tao magpupunta dito. Likewise, nung nagpunta ako, I remember na ganito pa lang yung tao. Ayan. Tapos nung mga bandang alas 5 na, dumami na yung tao, grabe. Dumami na. So as I mentioned earlier, marami talaga dito nagpupunta ng mga tao. Galing sila sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lugar. Ayun yung post office building. Ayun guys. Ang init. Ang init. Ang init guys, sobra. Ayan. Hi sir. Wala pang tao, si sir pa lang. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng Pasig City Esplanade, no? Hi. I mentioned earlier na second time ko to nagpunta sa Pasig River, na ngayon ay kaunti pa lang yung tao, but mga 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock marami ng tao dito kasi ino-open nila yung mga ilaw. May mga tinatawag yung mga dancing ilaw, ganun. Ayan o, ino-open nila yan. Maganda dito guys. Yeah. Malinis talaga ang Ilog Pasig. May kaunting mga water lily lang. Ito naman, dito naman yung... Wait lang baby ha. Kasi nagbablog tayo. Ito naman yung mga tanim of flowers sa gilid. At dito naman kayo uupo. Yan, ganyan. Diba guys? Perfect siya talaga dito guys sa... Ang init sa puwat! Perfect talaga siya dito guys sa February 14 na pamasyalan ng mag-girlfriend, mag-boyfriend. Perfect siya. Tapos yung background nyo guys, may flower dito sa may banda rito. Hindi na kayo kailangan bumili pa ng bulaklak para sa minamahal nyo sa buhay. Tapos free pa yung upuan. Ayan, di ba? Free pa yung upuan. Di ba guys? So, kung gusto nyo pong magpunta dito, mabilis lang po, sakay lang po kayo ng UB Express at sabihin nyo po Intramuros, or sabihin nyo po kahit i-drop lang kayo sa may post office, tapos lalakarin nyo na lang, diba? Kasi likod lang to ng post office. Okay, let's go. Punta tayo doon. Actually pupunta kasi ako ng Marikina, kaya lang I don't have any idea kung paano magpunta doon o kung paano sumakay doon papunta doon. So saan man napunta ng aking mga paa, kaya dito muna ako pupunta. Thankful naman na as of now wala pang tao. Yan, inaayos pa may harang na doon, naayos pa nila. Siguro i-open yan very soon. Ayan, di ba guys, nakikita niyo po yung lumang renovation niya, renovate yata yan. Yung post office na nasunog. Yan. Napakaaliwalas dito guys. Tingnan mo. Tingnan niyo po yung Pasig River. Malinis, pero may water lily. Di ba? Let's go tayo. Parang uulan. Tingnan mo yung ulap. Parang uulan. Grabe guys. Mainit-init pa ngayon actually, pero I am very okay kasi ang panahon nakikisama siya. Diba guys, ang ganda-ganda. Hi ma'am. Diba? Ano ba ito? Ito si Tandang Sora. Tandang Sora. Ganda dito guys. Ayan o. Ganda. Super ganda. So kung mamamasyal kayo, napakaganda dito guys. As in. Ayan. Ayan guys oh. Diba? Yan. Bongga, diba? Ang ganda dito. Pupunta sana ako sa Intramuros, doon sa mga old house. Kaya lang, dito ulit ako dinala ng tadhana. So, I am happy na nandito ako. Diba guys, napakaganda. Ay madam, taga saan kayo madam? Los Angeles. Your first visit in the Philippines?
Nag-visit kami dito twice a year.
Twice a year. Doon ka na nakatira sa Los Angeles, California ba yon? Yan si Madam from Los Angeles, California. Taga doon siya. Pero siya po ay Pilipino, Pilipina, which is doon po siya nakatira sa California. Sa US, iba yun ma'am, ano? Oo. Ang ganda ni Madam, no? Para siyang Amerikana. Alam mo ma'am, para kang hindi hindi Pilipina. Para kang taga doon na. Thank you ma'am for your time.
35 years.
Ilang taon na ho kayo?
I'm 57 and I'm
Hala,
retired.
hindi ho kayo ano, halata na 57. You're 38 years old already. Yeah.
Na kasi.
Oo, thank you so much for your time and enjoy.
Yeah, I like it.
Enjoy your vacation. Kailan ho kayo babalik?
March 8th.
Oh my God!
Thank you.
Okay, enjoy madam. Si madam, na-interview natin. She's from California. Yeah. Visit here in the Philippines. Taga doon siya guys. Oo, sa Los Angeles, California. Nakita nyo naman sa video, napakabata ni ma'am. She's told me 57 years old but she's look like 38 years old actually. Diba? Bongga, meron tayo na interview. Bongga, diba? Napaka-accommodate ni ma'am na interview natin. Diba? Salamat kay madam. Meron tayong foreigner na na-interview. Diba? Thank you so much. Ayan, tingnan mo naman. Napaka-bongga. Napaka-bongga, diba? Ang bongga. Ay, si ma'am pala sabi niya, retired na po siya from Los Angeles, California. Yeah, thank you so much for the interview. Tayo. Ayan, di ba guys? Nakikita nyo naman po ang Pasig River. Ayan. Bongga. Anong masasabi nyo guys? Napaka-bongga. Bye for now. Thank you so much.